All right. Dylan's pre-birthday party. You know, they actually has
the third pre-birthday party.
no second because one was Wednesday.
One was Thomas the Train.
Oh yeah, that's right.
The second one's Wednesday. This is the third one.
And here's Ethan just waiting for the cake, Are you ready? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear.
Dylan.
Happy birthday. And many, many more. Yeah, blow it, Dylan.
Bravo!
Bravo. Now you ready to... Although we got like a previous footage of somebody pre-eating the cake.
Wait, baby. Okay, now Daddy's going to cook the cake. Or...
I am. Let mommy do it. Or you want to film it a little bit?
No, it's okay.
Oh,
I can cook it if you
show
want.
the belly too. Show, because by the way, Nikki is right there too. And she's ready to eat some cake too, right? Mommy, I love you, mommy. Oh my goodness, what are you watching that from the what's that movie we just saw? Oh, the Big Bang Theory, eating the cake like that.
Wait. Can you wait?
By the way, for the record, I whipped out this very delicious gourmet-like omelet with all the bells and whistles, and he rejected it.
Like how big? Like this?
I don't know, whatever slice. I mean, if he doesn't finish eating it, then... And you know, of course, he didn't want to give the time of the day to eat nothing. And then we popped this cake out because we realized it wasn't going to be big enough for his party this evening. Oh man, now he came running for it, huh?
Delicious.
Delicious, ha 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 ha. Dylan, you have utensils, right?
Yeah, Dylan, wait. Yeah, I'm going.
He had the desperation.
Here. We're missing a plate.
No, because I was going to use the blue thingy for Dylan.
Okay.
And here's a guy who never misses a meal. He actually ate like what? A big omelet about 20 minutes ago, maybe. And I'm so glad I'm not going to have to wash him after this eating.
We have to wash them both.
I'm saying that's mommy's job. Daddy's going to do the dogs.
So what for you?
One of the few times I'm actually looking forward to do the dogs. Hello, Piglet. That is too cute.
I'm your piglet.
Hello, Piglet.
Yes, have a good tasting food.
Hello, Dylan. Is it good, Dylan?
You like it?
Do you like it, Dylan?
Oh.
Is it delicious? Can you say anything, Dylan? You've probably been better off with the fork, huh?
Ethan?
Dylan.
Dylan, here.
Use a fork, Dylan, so you can stab the cake. There you go. Good
Yeah,
job.
Ethan doesn't need a fork. He's just...
There it is.
That cake is delicious.
Well, we've all been waiting for. Well, of course, it should be. It's from like La Baguette or something like that. It's not all stinking like $5 cake from Walmart.
Now in the party, there's going to be what?
The $5 the $5 stinking Walmart cake. Is it good, Dylan? Is it delicious?
It is really good.
How about you, Nikki? Is it good? Is it delicious, Nikki? Is it good? Yes.
And no more.
And
No more funky, I'm sorry.